You don't need to push so hard.
Line's getting better.
Gotta go.
Wait for really good opportunities.
Gotta go. Hard.
All you got. All you got.
Thiessen trying to
All the way. Go.
Cart, go, cart.
get it to go.
You're good now. You're good.
Okay.
You're good.
Real good, Brad.
That's different.
Yeah, Brad, so instead of swiveling around to the other side, which takes time, Brad's really worked, and Darren was telling me they've worked at the club quite a bit where he'll actually try to be on the other side, reaching across. Watch him here. So instead of swiveling around to be on the same side as Karek, he's effectively doing this.
All you got. All you got.
I don't know how he knows where he's going.
But look at Leline.
You're good now. You're good. You're good.
Real good, Brad.
The core strength
Oh,
that you have to do that. Not many could.
and he needs a side mirror too, so you can see where he's going.
A signal light.
Yeah.
Be surprised if you just beat all the way back there.
And early in the week. Or triple.
Hey,
Go,
line's
Brad.
good.
Go, Brad. Come on, buddy.
Kark.
Kark, gotta finish. Gotta finish.
Kark.
Hard! Go!
Trying to cover that shot stone, get it over enough. Oh, what a carry as they cover it. And you adjusted to the new time. I feel like I'm going to have to say hello to people at 2 o'clock because that was the, it had been the, but they've given the players an extra hour of rest in a must win. Trying to bring Manitoba and Gunlickson back. They come in at 4-2. Nova Scotia leads it. The Blue Nose is out in front by 1. Manitoba with last rock here in 7 playing Yellowstone.